All right, guys, good news. If you've been wanting to use Veo3, but it's too expensive, well, now you can use it for 5 times cheaper than it was before with the release of Veo3 Fast. So not only is it 5 times cheaper, it's 30% faster as far as creating videos. So you can create amazing videos like you see, like this, like that are on the internet, the Sasquatch videos, all of those things. There's a couple of different ways that you can do it and access it. So here's kind of the breakdown of what you would need. So you would need Google AI Pro, and they actually have a free 1 month trial right now, which is great. But then it'll be $19.99 a month, and then you get access to Veo3 Fast inside the Gemini app, and also inside Flow, and then there's some other perks that you would get as well. So substantially cheaper. So you can access it inside of Gemini here. Once you upgrade, I didn't upgrade yet, but once you upgrade, there'll be a video button here, and then you can put in a prompt and generate videos with Veo3 Fast. Again, a lot of this comes down to the prompt that you're using. If you want a high quality video, you need a high quality prompt. So that would just be my warning to you, is make sure you invest enough time in the prompt. The other thing to know is you only get inside of Gemini, you get 3 videos, Veo3 Fast videos per day. So that's probably one of the biggest downfalls, is you can't like continue to tweak the video. It's a one and done. If you messed up the prompt, then you have to generate another one. And then you're down to 1 video left. So just be careful. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini to create better prompts before you actually ask to make the video. So that's what I would suggest doing. So you get 3 a day inside of Gemini. Once you upgrade, you can also access them inside of Flow, which if you go to, this is Veo3, and then it links to Flow, which actually goes here. And this is more for like video cinematography. Like you can do a new project and create multiple videos and stem multiple videos together. So it's like a video editing software. So whereas Gemini is more like ChatGPT as far as just having a conversation, this is more geared to filmography and video makers. These are some videos that I created in the past. And then you can go into Flow TV and kind of see some of the different videos and the prompts. So this will give you an idea too of, a lot of these are created in Veo2, so Veo3 is going to be even better. But this is going to give you a good idea of how they're writing the prompts to generate these type of videos. So you can make sure that you're including enough information so that you're not wasting your videoed outputs. And if you are creating in Flow, if you're using this to create videos, you can do, I believe, $50 a month at the $20 plan. So still significantly cheaper to be able to create videos using Veo3, and a lot faster. But those are the 2 ways you can access inside Gemini. You can access inside Flow, depending on which use case you want. Again, do the extra due diligence as far as the prompt goes, so you're not wasting them, and then you can create amazing videos to be able to use for whatever you need to use them for. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Another one of my favorite AI tools right now for SEO and for driving traffic, if you're a solopreneur, or if you have a small team, you have a small business, I would highly suggest using Arvow to create highly engaging SEO optimized blog articles to drive traffic about whatever industry, whatever niche you can. These are some of the case studies of the clients getting amazing traffic. So there's a link below. You can try out Arvow for free. But if you want to drive traffic, get more clients, get more sales, this is the way to do it, leveraging AI with this amazing tool. You can analyze your website. It can help generate leads. It's all geared to show up in AI search. It writes articles in a very friendly way. You can include all your brand assets, your brand images if you'd like, or it'll create images for you. It will include all the SEO elements that's important that people are missing to be able to show up in search, in AI search, which is going to be the next big thing, is showing up in those AI overviews and not getting filtered out. So I would highly recommend using this AI auto blogger SEO machine. There's a lot of features that will help you from an SEO standpoint using this. So this is one of my favorite tools right now that I wanted to share with a link below. But that's how you get Veo3 much cheaper. This is the software that I use to drive traffic to my website. I'll be back soon. Have an amazing rest of your day.